Are you ruining your expensive setup with messy cables? Even the best gear looks bad if wires are everywhere. Here are 5 cable management mistakes you need to stop making and how to fix them easily. Mistake number 1, the dangling vines. Leaving cables hanging behind your monitor is the fastest way to look cluttered. The fix? Cable raceways. Stick these channels under your desk or along the wall. They hide everything instantly and paint over easily. Mistake number 2, the floor dust magnet. Leaving your power strip on the floor collects dust and looks terrible. The fix? A cable management box, or mount it under the desk with strong adhesive tape. Get it off the floor. Mistake number 3, the permanent trap. Stop using plastic zip ties. You have to cut them to change anything, and you might cut the wire by mistake. The fix? Velcro cable ties. They're reusable, cheap, and gentle on your cables. Mistake number 4, the spaghetti monster. Bunching too many loose cables together looks messy. The fix? Cable sleeves. Wrap all your wires into one single thick tube. It looks industrial and clean. Mistake number 5, cable drag. If you're a gamer, your mouse cable shouldn't be fighting you. The fix? A mouse bungee. It lifts the cable, making your wired mouse feel wireless. Clean cables mean a clean mind. Links to these problem solvers are in the description. Like and subscribe for more setup tips.